If we talk about the most uber luxury projects in Gurugram, then DLF Camellias, Magnolias, and the Trump Tower immediately comes to our mind. But soon, another prestigious project will be joining this elite club, the Western Residences developed by Whiteland in Gurugram. Merit International has partnered with Whiteland to bring the Western Residences in Gurugram. And today I will be taking you on a virtual tour of this iconic address. Hi, my name is Ankit Path and I am the co-founder of Vilasta Realty. Having years spent with DLF and Tata Housing, I have truly witnessed what world-class living is. And I'm confident to say that the Western Residences will be one of the most sought-after addresses in Gurugram. Whiteland has already delivered its landmark project Urban Cube 71 with Aspen and Bliss Place set for handover soon. Merit International, with over 150 iconic residences worldwide, from Dubai to Texas, California, and the Philippines, now brings this global legacy to Gurugram. This project is already making headlines for introducing international hospitality standards, NI safety, and world-class design to the rapidly growing Dwarka Expressway corridor. Plus, it's an IGBC gold-rated green development, meaning sustainable living, energy efficiency, and a healthier lifestyle for its residents. Located in Sector 103 Dwarka Expressway, the Western Residences is just 15 minutes from IGI Airport and close to everything that matters: top schools, hospitals, corporate hubs, and shopping destinations. The key landmarks include HSIRDC Global City 5 minutes, Yashobhumi Convention Center 10 minutes, Bharat Vanna Park 12 minutes, Dwarka's 18-hole golf course 13 minutes, upcoming diplomatic enclave 15 minutes. This belt is fast emerging as Gurgaon's next trophy address, and the Western Residences will be its crown jewel. Now, let us talk about the project highlight. Spread across 20 acres with 70% open green spaces, this community is designed around Western's 6 pillars of well-being: sleep well, eat well, move well, feel well, work well, and play well. It comprises of spacious 3 and 4 BHK residences from 2600 square feet to 4300 square feet. Large balcony decks with panoramic views of landscape green areas, zero vehicle movement on the ground level for peace and safety, dedicated cycling, jogging, and walking tracks. This masterpiece has been designed by the most celebrated names in architecture and design. Padma Shri awardee Hafiz Contractor, India's most awarded architect, has designed this iconic landmark. Internationally acclaimed landscape designer Cooper Hills will create lush, resort-like green. Interiors by Bobby Mukherjee, a renowned interior designer for high-end, sophisticated interiors with global appeal. Construction by KPIL and Ahluwalia Projects, industry's leader in world-class development. Let us now talk about the most exciting part of this project, that is its magnificent 2 lakh square feet clubhouse. This is not just a clubhouse, it is a complete lifestyle hub designed to bring leisure, wellness, and entertainment together under one roof. It offers thoughtfully planned spaces such as fine dining restaurants, cafes, relaxing lounges, indoor and outdoor sports zones, gaming and recreation areas, spa and wellness therapies, and even exclusive event spaces. With Western's signature hospitality and concierge services, this clubhouse will make every day feel like a holiday, right within your community. So we are at this sample apartment right now. We'll be showing a glimpse of this apartment because the real magic can be felt only by visiting the site in person. Oliga One here also gives you access to Onvia. This is Merit International's Residence Owner Recognition Platform, which includes VIP recognition worldwide, preferred access at Marriott properties, and exclusive global privileges. This means you are not just buying a home, you are becoming part of an exclusive global lifestyle network. This project is going viral in the market and creating a lot of buzz among the investors and end users. For investors, it's a legacy asset that is set to appreciate over time, and for end users, it's resort-style living with the trust and quality of Marriott interaction right here in Gurgaon. No video can do a full justice to what this project offers. It's something you must see, feel, and experience in person at site. So, if you believe that your home must reflect your lifestyle and success, then the Western Residences by Whiteland must be on your top list. Call on the numbers mentioned on the screen to experience this first time ever branded residences in Gurugram. Also, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe our YouTube channel Vilasita Realty for more such real estate insights. Thank you.